Hi again, guys. So let's just get straight into it. Here is the deep wave wig. It is a closure wig and it blends like a dream because it's been customized. So I'm just going to first apply some Got to Be glue on where I want the hairline to sit. I'm going to wait for it to dry. I normally wait until it goes clear before I put the wig on, but I'm actually rushing through this, but it will go clear. So I'm just adjusting where I want the wig to sit.
Morning, got a barbecue on fire. She have me act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire.
Then I'm just going to use some mousse for the edges to lay the edges down. And then I'm going to use a silk material to lay down the lace to basically create the melt. So it's just any cloth, or you can normally get lace bands from hairstylist on IG. And then I'm just going to use some mousse on top of the hair to lay it flat, to be honest, and to create more curls. I love this product. It is S-Curl. It is a curl activator, and it just brings out the curl in hair without it feeling crunchy.
It's time for a little party.
And then we're going to remove the cloth. Well, I'm going to tighten it first to make sure it's melted and blend like a dream. It is laid, okay?
It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all the mix upon me. You can have all the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa K7 here with another hair review. I'm really sorry if I'm talking really low, but my son is literally sleeping, guys. From Alipearl, this is 24 inches of their deep wave. But I can just say it's given even more when the closure is turned into a mini frontal. That was done by my hair slayer, my hairdresser, Chrissy London on Instagram. She does it for me every single time. Luxurious. 24 inches is absolutely long and luscious. The curls are luscious. I haven't even used water in it yet because I don't actually need to. The only place where I have put product, as you guys saw, was the front bit. Other than that, guys, this is this natural hair curl pattern. It is absolutely... that was so unnecessary. Absolutely really nice. Of course, like I always say on this channel and with my experience with hair reviews, maintaining your wig is the most important thing you can do to keep it in its good state. If you're wearing this wig anyhow, of course it's gonna tangle. Curly hair, unfortunately, is a high maintenance pattern, so you have to maintain your wigs. Take it off at night, and also don't do too much in it. Even running your hands through it too much is a lot, although I did that all throughout this video. And just keeping the curl pattern in check. Summer is coming, girls, so I know a lot of you are on holiday catching flights. A lot of you are out at brunches, at lunches, in the city, and need your curl on. So I will definitely recommend having a look at Alipearl and AliExpress. Every link will be in the description box. Also head to my Instagram because I will be wearing this hair, taking loads of pictures. You can also message me. I'll give you an update. I always try to give updates, but I'm not actually discussed to give an update. But if you do keep up with my Hot Mum Diaries and my channel, I will give you guys a little one-to-one update on how the hair is doing. But you guys will see anyway because I like to wear the hairs I review. So yeah, I'm just in awe. Like, this is this natural curl pattern, no water added. There is gonna be shedding with curly hair. It comes out a lot more because we're doing so much to it, but try to minimize that. Keep it to just water and probably a curl activator. But if you do too much, you will have too much going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. You know, I always keep the hair reviews coming from way back when to now. So any questions, please ask me in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you're liking this curl pattern, and if you're looking for curly hair for this summer, thumbs up, let me know, and I'll see you guys back on my channel with another one. Bye guys.